Thank you to Vandergraaf for sponsoring this Road to Prosperity video. Visit their website to learn about new innovative conveyor drive technology, delivering reliability and longevity for belt conveyors.
Supply chain issues are, again, kind of like inflation. They're an everyday challenge for us. But again, we've had relationships with our vendors for decades, and that's allowed us to leverage those relationships to navigate these times more effectively than we could have imagined. So we can get everything we need. Like everybody else, we have to pay more for it. We have to be a little bit more patient, and we have to forecast more effectively. So there's a real key right now is getting enough material, not too much and not too little, so we don't stock out and then we can't deliver products. And our procurement teams, our production teams, everybody's working together real well to plan, to forecast, and handle this really effectively. So we haven't seen huge supply chain issues, but it is challenging to make sure that doesn't materialize.
Specific supply issues to us are really on the motor side. So we manufacture a product that's a motorized pulley. So small motors are a challenge for us, mainly because of where those motors come from in the world. Usually Central Europe. Central Europe is a challenge right now. And other raw materials like just plate steel and sheet steel, because of the demand, that's a huge challenge for us. And then from a petroleum product standpoint, we use a lot of petroleum products in our products, and that's been a challenge domestically to get those products.
There's still stuff that you don't get on time. You don't find suppliers that are willing to tell you ahead of time that they're going to be late. It's kind of like the week before it's supposed to be there. Also, it's like, yeah, it's not going to be there for 2 months or whatever it is. It's that whole communication link and timing has changed some things, and it's forcing us to kind of reevaluate who your partners are and who they aren't.
Thank you to Vandergraaf for sponsoring this Road to Prosperity video. Visit their website to learn about new innovative conveyor drive technology, delivering reliability and longevity for belt conveyors.